Hi friends, welcome to the special session of why RBWM is your key to JAIIB success in 2025. Now, one thing I always see, why this 2025? RBWM is a key to your success in every exam. Let it be any exam, any. Let it be your 2025, December, May, June, any exam. And mind it, this time's RBWM paper for June, I am giving you the fresh information. This time's RBWM paper was the toughest one. May 2025. It was the toughest one. Very tough. Why? It was, such level of paper was never asked in the JAIIB up till now. So that's why this topic. Why RBWM is a key. Earlier people used to think RBWM एक हफ्ते में हो जाएगा. 1 week studies, RBWM done. Now not possible. Not possible because they have changed the level of the exam. Kindly note, in RBWM now they are asking almost 25 marks numerical. Out of 100, 25 marks numericals. So it has become one of the biggest criteria. So that's why this topic. So kindly share it with your friends, like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. Okay? Because this is the dark horse in the JAIIB studies. Firstly, know what are the subjects. You need to know RBWM is a key, but before that you need to know what are the other subjects. Indian economy and Indian financial system, principles and practices of banking, accounting and financial management for banks, retail banking and wealth management. So these are the 4 subjects. RBWM is the last one. Okay? Kindly note, all the subjects are equally tough, to be frank. I can't say that this is tough and that is not tough, nothing like this. All are equally tough. I can bifurcate in this, like which has numericals, which doesn't have numericals. That we can bifurcate. See this. Your accounts and this, these two will have numericals. Okay? And theory will be there in all the 4. Theory is there in all the 4. But these two will have numericals, accounts and RBWM. Accounts will have roughly 40 marks numericals, roughly. And RBWM will have roughly 25 marks numericals. Okay? Now, what are the important numericals, theory, all these points? Let's study that. First, for any JAIIB, not only RBWM, you can follow this strategy. See, first what you have to do is study each subject in detail. Aim to complete 1 subject per week. See, 1 subject per week. Now you will say, sir, 1 subject per week, how is it possible? Go gross. Don't go in deep. First, try to complete reading the important topics, main topics. Okay? Just read first 2-3 lines of each paragraph. Don't read the complete paragraph, but complete the book in 1 week, specifically for RBWM. Okay? Then, now for each subject I am showing you. PPB, you have to focus on banking technology, support services, customer relationships and ethics, theory part. Okay? For AFM, you have to focus on basics of business mathematics, accounting, procedures, investments. Now here you will get numericals. The numericals over here will be from basics of accounting, bookkeeping to the advanced accounting. So again, here you will have numericals. RBWM, this is the key. Up till now, numericals were only 5 to 10 marks. But this May 2025, the numericals were 25 marks. 25 marks, and that also tougher ones, very tough ones. Now, which are the numericals in RBWM? Which will be asked? See, first numerical starts in your module A. Here, I teach RBWM since almost, for earlier it was for CIB, now it is for JAIIB. So, I am teaching this from almost 7-8 years. So, that's why I know the numericals by heart, and those students who attended Adda 24/7 classes, all of them have cleared, all. RBWM result over here this time was almost 97-98%. The highest in RBWM was 88 this time, 87-88. Okay. So follow the strategy which we give in the classes and you will definitely clear it. The PDF I'll share in the paid classes will be the best PDF and you will definitely clear it. Okay. So 25 marks. What are these numericals? I'll discuss that. IAIFS theory part. Focus on Indian economy and in IFS topics, as this is the most difficult last time. This time it was RBWM. Okay. Take short notes for quicker revision. See, this is the base of every topic. You have to take the short notes. Okay. See, now let's focus on RBWM. Which are the numericals asked? The numericals asked over here are in module A. Mod A. I'll write it directly over here. Okay. Mod A. Numericals are in your branch profitability. Chapter number 3. Branch profitability. Okay. Very big numericals are there. Huh? Big ones. Branch profitability. Numericals are tougher over here because you have ROA, ROE, leverage ratio, NII, NIM, okay, spread. Various topics are covered over here. Okay. So these are the difficult topics over here. This is one of the toughest chapters. Then module B. Module B, you don't have any numerical. Yeah, there is one case study. The case study, module B. Module B, you have a case study on credit cards. This credit cards case study is on dates. Dates and payments, credit cards. Okay. You have a case study on dates, various payment dates. Then what are the finance charges. Okay. That is asked over here. Payment dates, finance charges. These are the two main points of the case studies. Okay. Then free period, interest free period. That is also the part of the same only. So credit card and debit card. Actually, debit card doesn't have a case study. Credit card has a case study. Okay. This is in module B. Now in module C, you have one numerical, mod C. Mod C is related to marketing. Okay. You have one case study on CRM. That is CAC, customer acquisition cost. Okay. CRM. Customer relationship management. Okay. And what is that case study? The case study is CAC, customer acquisition cost. CAC, customer acquisition cost. There is a formula for that. And based on that formula, you have the numericals. Okay. One is CAC and second is break-even point for that customer. Okay. So two numericals are combined over here. So CAC can be said as one only. CAC plus that BEP, both are combined. So this is in module C. And in module D, huge. Module D, we have to write it separately. Because here all one chapters, their complete module D is numericals. So mod D. In mod D, you have numericals on wealth management. Okay, wealth means basically wealth and investment. So there you have numericals. Okay, one or two minor ones are there. Then you have numericals on tax planning. Tax planning numericals are asked many times nowadays. Latest tax structures. If I am having the income of, let's say, XYZ, what will be the tax I'll be paying? Then you have in this wealth management also and in tax planning also, the capital gains tax. Okay, capital gains tax questions are asked. Now, capital gains are not only related to property. Capital gains tax are related to your shares also, your mutual funds also, your golds also, your debt funds also. Okay, your property also, your housing property, your agri property, all these. Okay, so all the numericals are asked. Then next you have in this housing, that is additional reading. In housing, you have separate numericals. Housing, you have the numerical on analysis. How much loan should be given to any customer? Analysis. They will be giving you the income. Okay, they will be giving you the income and then they will be asking you how much loan can be sanctioned. Plus various parameters will be given. Then they will be giving you the housing property value and then they will be asking you How much loan can be given? There are parameters for that. So those parameters are very difficult. Analysis. So these are all the numericals, and that's why this topic is a black horse and this topic is a key. Okay? Because it's not that simple. Solving these numericals is a tougher part. Kindly note this. Solving the numericals is a tougher part. Now that is about numericals. Okay? Now about theory. Theory is, I would say, a bit okay type. It's not that difficult. Okay? Only branch profitability theory, wealth management, and this tax planning and housing. Only that part is difficult. Module B and Module C theory is very easy. Even Module A is easy, except this branch profitability. Theory is okay for Module A, B, C. Okay? So that is about theory. Now next is objective questions. See, these are the keys. If you follow the objective questions correctly, these are like the single runs, one runs. So in any match, cricket match, you have to take the single runs also. Roughly you will have around 60 marks objective questions, 60. This will be around I am saying, 60 to 75 roughly. 60 marks you can say, 60 marks objective questions. Okay. Then you'll have case studies. Case studies are around for this, I'll say 60 to 75 roughly, depends on. Okay. So these case studies are around 25 marks, 25 to 30 marks. Okay. 25 means that gap. Whatever remains from here will be over here. Okay. Now these objective questions will include numericals also. It will include theory also. Similarly, case studies will include numericals also. It will include theory also. So both the things are in both the types. Okay. So kindly note, these are the focus points, and because of this only the topic has become a difficult one. Okay. Next. Understand that this already I have told you. What should you do? See, focus on this. Make a schedule and stick to it. Very important. You have to stick to the schedule. Making the schedule is easy. Sticking to the schedule is difficult. Stick to the schedule. Set up your study area. Very important one. You have to set up your study area. You have to keep your books properly ready. Your notes properly ready. Okay. Then revise and re-revise. Go on revising. As much you revise, I'll be providing you the notes, PDF notes in your RBWM paper when you join the paid classes. So in those classes, when you join them, kindly note what will happen. When you join these classes, this PDF you go on revising as many times. You will definitely clear the paper. Okay? Make your own smart notes. Own smart notes. Don't forget to make the notes. Okay? Own smart notes. Because here, what is difficult for you may not be difficult for the other person. Many of the engineers have come into banking. So for them, accounting is difficult. But those who have come from BCom, for them accounting is simple, isn't it? So what is difficult for you may not be difficult for the other person. Take refreshing study breaks. That is also important. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Not only Jack, Jack and Jill both. Jill also a dull girl. Okay. So you have to take your refreshing breaks. Test your knowledge. Study set realistic goals. Study before bed. And importantly, follow the right mentors. You have to follow the right mentors. And where do you get the right mentors? The right mentors, you get it at Adda 24/7. Okay? You get it at Adda 24/7. So go to Adda 24/7, everyone. Okay? See this. Go to Adda 24/7. See, click on JAIIB and CIB. Always download the app first. Okay? Download the app, and from that app, purchase it. Because what happens, once you download the app, you get 1% extra discount, extra discount. Okay. So go to Adda 24/7, click on JAIIB and CIB. Okay. Click on JAIIB November 25. See this. Okay. This is an increment batch. This batch has just now started. Join this batch. Ebooks, mock test, live classes, everything is there. Plus you are getting 81% discount. How? I'll show you. But I'll show you something important which is more useful for you. That is JAIIB Mahapack 2.0. Best Mahapack. In JAIIB Mahapack 2.0, right now you're getting double validity. Means you're getting 6 months plus 6 months. You buy for 6 months, you get it for 12 months. Plus the discount offer. Discount offer is same. 80% plus 1%. See this. I'll show you. Click on buy now. Put the code Y432. See this. Y432. Click on enter. Look at this. You're getting 80% discount plus 1% extra through the app. So download the app first and then give this discount. Okay. So 81% discount plus double validity. So it's a win-win situation. Join the Mahapack. In Mahapack, you are getting 15 plus batches per subject. 15 plus. Huge, huge, huge thing. Okay. So don't miss this opportunity. 81% discount, then double validity and 15 plus batches. Okay.